Bonjour les enfants, academic year 2020-2021, grade 5, second term, lesson 1. Before starting this lesson, I would like to tell you, if you cannot remember the time indication, how to express the time indication, please watch all the previous lesson related to the first term, last videos. Please watch it and get to know it very well. Then this will be easy for you. So first exercise is c'est à quelle heure? Write short answer. This is about to listen something. Écris un jusqu'à 8. Écoute et note le. Write 1 to 8. Listen and write down the time. Write 1 to 8. Listen and write down the time. In order to get all correct, follow these steps. What are the steps? Not in listening comprehension. This listening comprehension you won't. Sometimes you may not understand all the dialogue completely. It doesn't matter, children. You try to focus on the specific area, that means the time indication, and in this case we have the hourly indication only, so it's easy. So focus on the dialogue there and see what is the time indication they are mentioning on, and they are telling a dialogue and the time indication. Then the time indication you write it here in figures like this. First one is done for you. Second exercise, le weekend. Write only the short answers. Yet when you are writing the time indication, you should write in words. À midi, à 11, you can see the pictures and the clock there, and you have to find out what is the time there. So meaning without the time is like this. Luca and Sophie are going to the shops at, now here I have at midday. Fabio is going to the swimming pool at, you have to find out the time. Then Sika is going to the supermarket. Then Nicola and Mark are going to the park. Madame Lambert is going to the post office. Monsieur Legrand, the priest, cure means priest, is going to the church. Laura and Alex are going to the museum. Monstu is going to the kitchen. So you have to find out. A means at, and the relevant time indication you have to find out and write it, the time indication, in words. Then we will see the third exercise, that is also a listening one. Rendezvous à quelle heure? At what time the meeting? Écoute note le. Listen and note the time. In order to get all correct, these steps are important. What are those steps? Now listening company, we don't understand everything, doesn't matter. We focus on the time indication there. This is relevant to a specific area they are meeting and the time. So you have to find out what is the area, relevant area, and the time. Those two area things should be focused. Focus on the specific area and the time. It's in the order. So it's not difficult. It's in the order. So in this case, the time indications, here the time indications more somewhat complex one. That means time indication with minute expressions. Many are there with minute expressions, except 2 and 8, just hourly indication. Others are with hour and minute, both combining expressions. So you can listen to the recording as much as possible time you want, then try to find out the answer. So first write the time expression in word, then you can convert into digits. For example, for the first one, the answer is sous la grosse horloge à 2h30. 2h30, write in word, then put it into the figures, digits. Why I am asking to do like that? Because when you write it, you never fail it. Because if you straight away try to write it, you may make mistakes. So try to write it in the words, time indication in words, then convert into the digits. Then we will switch on to the page number 93, fourth one, quelle journée. So in this case, you have a description. So you may don't understand all the things. What is important to do is underline the time indication. Underline the time indication. Then immediately what is coming to your mind with the figures, with the time indication in it's in words. What is coming to you with the figures, try to write it. Then check the correct clock, then write the answer with the number and the letter. That's the way. So you can write the short answer for this. So everything, most of them, you can write the short answer, complete answer on it, but you should write the mention the question and the relevant answer clearly for me. Okay, students. So those are the areas of the first, second term, first lesson area, first lesson exercises to do.